Comment pour dire en anglais? Pas énervé.
Don't piss me off.
Don't piss me off.
Don't piss me off.
Shit, you're trying to serve me.
I'm serving you the rules for the afternoon so we could get along. Don't piss me off.
Comment me dit? Don't piss me off. Don't piss me off.
Don't say nothing, don't do nothing, don't even move a certain way to piss me off.
Don't piss me off. Pas énervé. C'est pas déranger. Stop bothering me.
Don't text me. I don't bother.
Stop bothering. Stop bothering me. C'est pas déranger. C'est pas. I know you are talking behind my back. To talk behind one's back. I don't say I'm going there. I know she is talking behind my back. I know. Pas énervé. Don't piss me off. You are talking behind my back. Si vous aimez ça, partagez-le. Pour plus de vidéos. Bye bye.